Hi everyone, how are you doing today? So here we are again with another video, and today I was so inspired. Today I just feel like inspired. I felt very creative and I just wanted to change it up a little bit and add something different to my channel. So for today's video, I'm actually very excited and nervous because I've never done this look before and I don't know how it's going to turn out. And as you can see, I did my version of a space bun. I don't know how good they turned out, but I don't know, they look kind of cute. So I'm going to use these little heart-shaped rhinestones that I bought from the Dollar Tree. Of course, they're $1. They have, you know, large hearts, extra small little heart rhinestones, and that's what I'm going to be using today. Mostly, I think I'm going to use maybe gray or silver and the pink little rhinestones. And yeah, today I'm going to do pink inspired makeup transformation. As you can tell, I already did my eyebrows and I did my foundation and also I contoured. So if you're interested how I do my makeup, my foundation and my contouring, I'll link the videos down below because I already have done them in the past. So if you're interested, just look down in the description box below and you can take a look at those videos. And we're going to start off with my eyes, and I already primed them with NYX eyeshadow base. This is in B03, or sorry, this is NYX eyeshadow base in 03. So it looks like. Apply that with my finger, and then I went in with the Maybelline loose powder. What is it called? I forgot. I'll include a picture right here on the screen. So that's what I use. That's my routine for my base and primer for my eyes. I'm going to start off with Bad Habit, the Aphrodite eyeshadow palette by Bad Habit. This is in the color Blushing, and I got this palette from the shophush.com. I'll be using the Morphe M124 to pack on that onto my So now that we have it all over our eyelid, including our inner corner and this area right here, and all over really. I'm going to blend that all over your lid. Not lid, but your eyebrow bone. Just above your eye crease and inner eye region right here. Just want to blend that very good. No streaks because you want it to look seamless, of course. That is always the goal. Now we're gonna go in with this pink above Blushing. We're gonna use Flirt. We're gonna use that on our crease, and we're gonna use the same Morphe brush and pack that onto our crease. Only keeping it on our crease. Now using the same large blending brush, we're going to blend this. Now we're going to go in with Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette, and we're going to use this hot pink color onto our outer area, outer V. And again, using the same packing brush, the same Morphe, I'm just going to keep it right here in this area where I'm placing it. We're gonna use this very tiny blending brush by MUA Professional in 315. It's actually a little crease brush, and we're just gonna blend in the color, the shade from the Huda Beauty color that we just used, the hot pink, and we're just gonna blend this in. Blend out the edges of our color so we won't have any harsh lines. I'm adding more of that Flirt color from the Aphrodite palette onto my crease and also the inner corner, just to add a little bit more definition. Well, it's actually Flirt and the hot pink from the Huda Beauty palette. And now we're going to use a crease brush to blend that into our crease. Again, we don't want any harsh lines. Now I'm adding the blushing color from the Aphrodite palette onto my eyebrow bone area and also the outer area. And now we're gonna cut the crease. Okay, I already cleaned my brush and now I'm gonna cut my crease. Nobody breathe, please. You're gonna look up. And that's where I'm gonna cut my crease. I use this Morphe B83 brush to pack on koi onto my lid. I'm going to use MUA Professional Crease brush in number 315, and I'm going to use Flirt, just this tiny bit, not that much color, and just to give it a little more definition. I'm applying blushing from Aphrodite palette onto my lower lash line, and I'm using the Morphe B83 brush. I'm just sweeping this across my lower lash line. So now I'm going to use a Kat Von D Mini Liquid Lipstick. This is in K-Dub. And I'm just going to use ColourPop small angled brush. This is how much you want on your brush, and I'm just gonna begin by swapping it across, just following my waterline or my lash line very close to my lash line. Then I'm going to add a line like this. Bring it back, connecting those two lines. Now this is kind of tricky part, but just keep it close enough, close to your eyelash line, if that's even a word, I don't know. Honestly, right now I don't know what to do with my eyes, so I'm going to move into contouring, and I contour my cheek as you can see already. I contoured this side of my face, my forehead, and my nose area, and I contoured by using the Flirt from the Aphrodite palette. And now I'm going to use my Tarte blending brush and add Flirt onto the other side of my nose. I'm also gonna place it like so. You wanna look snatched. Just kidding. I don't know what that word means actually. And I'm gonna use this large blending. No, I'm gonna use this brush. It's from the drugstore. It's a small brush, whatever brush you have that fits right this area right here. I'm just gonna add Flirt right here. Well, that's how I contour. I don't know how you contour, but that's how I do it. That's how I contour my forehead. And now I'm gonna contour my, I'm gonna zoom you guys out. And contour right here. Just want to look snatched, you know what I mean? Just kidding. And I am back again, guys. I applied mascara. I always apply the Bare Minerals Lash Domination mascara, and now I'm just gonna apply this pink right here onto, what's this called? My lash line. But I'm going to take it down more. I'm going to try to create like the glitter tear effect. That's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty palette, of course. This is in Electric Obsessions. I'm going to be using this all over eyeshadow 314 from Amy Wait Professional Cosmetics. I bought this at the drugstore, more specifically at Walgreens. You could go in with false lashes. I just didn't have any. I know what kind of makeup person, beauty person am I. I just haven't gone to the store lately. Actually, I did buy some, but they were just way too dramatic. It was a bad selection. It didn't go with the look that I'm trying to create today, so. And you just want to go in with a small amount and build it up, and that's what I'm doing right now, and then blend away. And I also applied on my waterline NYX and brow pencil. This is in white 906. That's how it looks like. Okay. So now once that is done, I'm going to apply these little rhinestones. I'm going to apply the pink ones and silver all over my cheeks. And now I'm just going to add some more glitter. And I'll be using the, what is this called? Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette, and I'm going to be using this one right here, this middle one, which is called Meteor Crush, I believe, right? Yeah, it's the third one in the middle. And of course I'm going to be using the Inglot Duraline, and I just added 1 drop of it. That's all you need. I just dropped that onto the shade, onto the color, and I'm going to apply it with a detailed brush, and I'm just going to swirl it around this. You just swirl it around carefully, slowly, and then once you get quite a bit of color in there, I'm going to start applying it onto wherever I applied the pink shadow. Honestly, I wasn't feeling very confident at the beginning of the video, but now that I think it's coming together now, I'm just going like polka dot motions, you know, stamping it on there carefully, slowly. I'm gonna use this MUA Professional Makeup brush in 314. I'm gonna use the same Meteor Crush shade, and I'm just gonna blend this, sweep it across. Right, so I am back. This is how it's looking right now. I'm gonna zoom you guys out. Actually, for my lips, I applied off camera. I applied Wet n Wild gel lip liner, and this is in 651B. It looks like so. And then I applied Smashbox, this little mini lipstick. It's in cream formula, but then it also comes with this Smashbox instant matte, what is this called, transformer, and I just dotted it across my lips and it makes it matte. But I'm gonna highlight my lips. I'm gonna apply confetti from the Too Faced glitter palette. This is how it's looking. And I'm gonna highlight for the best part. I'm gonna I don't know what I'm gonna highlight. Maybe like right here. Highlight my temples with the confetti shade from the Too Faced. Yeah, from the Too Faced glitter palette. And I'm gonna, well, not my temples, my forehead. Same shade. Highlight my nose bridge. I'm gonna use my finger, my ring finger, to apply it on my nose. That's how it looks. This is how much creativity I have. Not that much, but this is what I came up with from my makeup collection that I have. This is what I was able to come up with, and I also bought these little heart rhinestones from the Dollar Tree, and that's what also inspired me to do this. So if you have that in your collection, you can do this look. Now you can use in similar palettes. Actually, I also use this Kat Von D liquid lipstick for my eyes, to apply my eyeliner. That's something different. And I think it turned out not so horrible. Yeah, so if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to watch more of my videos, comment down below with any questions, and if you have any suggestions, please sound off on the comment box, and I'll see you next time with another video.